If you're looking for the best Kodi build for Firestick in 2025, here are the top options you should consider. Dig Xenon is a powerful and feature-rich build that comes with a sleek interface and pre-installed add-ons for movies, TV shows, and live sports, making it a great choice for Firestick users. Aspire build is lightweight and optimized for speed, ensuring smooth navigation and fast streaming without buffering issues. Doomsday build offers a variety of pre-configured add-ons, an easy-to-use layout, and reliable streaming links, making it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Misfit Mods Lite is designed specifically for low-spec devices like Firestick, providing a clean interface and well-organized categories with minimal storage consumption. Chronique build is known for its real Debrid integration, ensuring high-quality streams and a seamless user experience. Each of these builds provides pre-installed add-ons, customizable settings, and automatic maintenance features to keep Kodi running efficiently on your Firestick. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Kodi updates and Firestick tips.